single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make.
What's up, AK gang? So today we're at Applebee's, and we're gonna do
a mukbang, and we decided why not to talk about the 6ix9ine situation. That's what we're doing. It's a blueberry Long Island. It's only $1 though. So I got me a little clubhouse sandwich with some lotus potato soup. So I guess you kind of start off because you know more about it than me.
We're going to talk about the 6ix9ine situation.
Like if you didn't hear about it.
So, how do you guys feel about the 6ix9ine situation if you heard about it? Is he a snitch or is he not a snitch? I told you a little bit.
So, from what she told me, like we didn't hear about it. It's supposedly about I guess before he got into the music industry, whatever, or I don't know, before he got, or during the music industry, whatever. He had a team, whatever, that he trusted with his money and everything. And I guess he did a show somewhere, whatever, and trusted them, and they lied and said he made a certain amount of money. He actually made more multiple times, and they kept the money. So then they told the cops on him. Oh, he fired him. Then they told the cops on, like, tell him everything that he did, who killed him and everything. And then he was in jail, whatever. And I think they told him like they was like 75. So it was 75 to life, or 75.
Maybe like 75.
Like 75, unless he tell on them, and he'll have less time. So we basically here to kind of have our opinion on it. Which me, I don't know, it was kind of our situation because like one side you want to say you won't snitch, but the side I would say that I would snitch. I would say I would snitch only because they did him so wrong and so crimey, like when he trusted them. And it's like he's in jail because of them. Because if they didn't snitch on him, he probably wouldn't even been there because he probably would never know. So like,
but on my behalf, it's snitching. It's kind of like snitching for the fact that when you sign into a gang, whatever happens, supposed to happen. But this is a different situation because they told him first, and now that he's telling everything and telling the truth, it's making they trying to call him the snitch.
So when they snitch
first, has a daughter. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. And you also have a daughter.
So if they don't care about that, they just think they're being smart. And then look, now all you're about to go down with him.
So I don't know. I honestly,
it was a hard situation.
Right, yeah. I feel like he kind of snitched because he knew what he signed up for, and then at the end of the day, he's not a snitch for the situation that they told him first. And he just telling them the truth, so he don't have to do that.
It's like, as you say, it depends on the situation. Basically, our camera about to die, so this may be a short video, guys. So I mean, if the camera cut off before we get done talking, y'all just make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to our channel, hit the post notification bell, and tell a friend to subscribe to our channel, watch our videos. But yeah, we're not ending right now, I don't think. So we're gonna keep talking until it cuts off. The situation is just crazy.
So, let me know what y'all think about that if y'all heard it. I don't know.
Ain't too much you could say about it, because like we already kind of say how.
I mean, it's a lot that come with it though.
Yeah,
it's a lot that come with it. We signed up for it, but then again, it's not like he ran his mouth first.
Yeah,
they did him wrong. They told on him.
So he said, "Why not?"
He's telling the truth, so he can get out of trouble, which is understandable.
Which is kind of crazy too, because what if they lock them up with or put them in the same jail? Now they fighting might be killing each other. Then what? He probably ain't thinking about that. He probably like, listen, if I get less time, why not?
He got a whole daughter.
That I'm sure they know about, like.
Even though people been telling them to chill out and look what happened. But he said, it's Treyway. Psych.
They put a lot of liquor in that show. They said to get the juice.
What's up?
We gotta have the water.
Kind of dry. Kids, always remember to get plastic silverware. Don't be like her.
I don't know why I'm using this one, but normally I'll get this plastic water. But if I die, y'all know why. Applebee's. Do they even got plastic spoons? I always see the plastic fork and a knife in the pack. In their pack. I never see a spoon.
It's 1 p.m. and we are drinking liquor. Still got a whole day.
Well, they say it's 5 o'clock somewhere. My favorite hat. So nice.
It's my phone.
Trey, what?
Sorry,
You do too much. Yeah. I don't know what else to say about that topic.
If it was you, what would you do?
Like I said, I think I probably would tell only because how they did him. Like it's different situations. Like it's different. Like it has something to do with like being locked up because you selling drugs or something. You snitching. That's something completely different. But this situation, you risking my freedom. Like I'm in jail, can't see my child. Like y'all did me dirty. Basically, y'all snitched on me to the cops. So who makes y'all think I'm ready to let y'all just be out living free, probably making money, whatever, or probably got my money still, like. And then the fact that I trusted y'all with my money, like.
If it was me, I'm telling. I'm singing like a bird. I'm telling. Only because y'all was just loyal to me. Now, if y'all was loyal to me, I could trust y'all to take care of my family, then I could
I'm sure they're probably not even caring about his daughter.
But if y'all was my real friends, y'all wouldn't even let me do all that time. Y'all wouldn't let me. Y'all wouldn't let me.
I wouldn't even be in there. Y'all wouldn't have told me.
I'm the money maker of the group. So why wouldn't I be out and y'all be in there and I provide for y'all and y'all family while you're in there? So yeah, they're not your real friends. So get some new ones.
That's why they say watch who you call your friends.
So yeah, I would tell. They ain't really your friends if they let you do all that time by yourself anyway. And you the money maker of the group.
They ain't your real friends when they stealing from you in general. When they move already. Y'all gonna lie and say he made a certain amount on the show when he made way more.